Hey, I'm Steve, and what you're looking at here is, first of all, they are unworn. I just took these out of the package. These are the Under Armour Heat Gear compression shorts. This is my third pair. I originally bought two of these pairs to try. I wanted to see how I liked them, give them a good try, and after about 2 or 3 days of wearing these, I went in and threw out all of my other underwear, especially the ones that had cotton or were 100% cotton. And a lot of us have those in our drawer. They went into the trash. I fell in love with these new Under Armour compression shorts. They are the most comfortable short that I've ever worn. They keep everything all tucked away, if you know what I mean. Everything to like, nothing not to like. They have this thick band and it doesn't pinch, it doesn't roll over like other bands that I've worn on different underwear. Very stretchy. Okay, let me show you an amazing feature that I guarantee your current underwear does not have. Look at that. These are made with a pocket to hold your phone. Now, I do a lot of running, walking, working out, and I wear shorts over these. And I hate my phone just flopping up against my leg. And look, now they give you a place to store your phone. Not only are they fantastic underwear, you can store your phone in it, and you can wear these all day. And I'll also tell you this, you can wear them multiple days. I like them. I think you will too. So if you're watching this, I hope you found my video helpful.